Welcome back to FastFix channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Steam account on mobile. So first, all you need to do is go to your Google Chrome or any internet browser you often use, and then here on search box, type right here Steam and tap on search, and then you'll find the official page right here, the store.steampower.com. So just tap on that, and then you'll find the homepage right here. Now to create your account, tap on the three lines at the top left corner and then tap on login. And then right here, you just scroll down and tap this join Steam. Now you can create your new account. So you just complete the details, email address, confirm your address, country of residence, and then check that I'm not a robot. Then check the smaller box, then tap on continue. Now right here it says verify your email, so you need to check your email that you signed up to complete your account setup. Now all you need to do right here is tap this verify my email address. Now once you've done, you will find right here saying email verified, so we can just return on the page. You can now create your Steam account name and then your password. Now, once your username is available, you are now done and completely creating your Steam account on mobile. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please consider to like today's video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.